Hi, I'm Zoe Lyn from Fixin with Zoe Lyn, and today I'm filming a special episode because just a week ago I hit 100,000 views. So today I'm making this video to thank everyone and show them how I got here. This was my first video ever. I was still learning how to do my intro.
Hi, my name's Zoe Lyn.
And outro.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
It was so fun to be around so many cool cars and still trying to figure out how to memorize my lines.
I'm Zoe Lyn from Fixin' It with Zoe Lyn. And today we're by my favorite car.
I had a bunch of different car jobs that I had to work on. I made super cool t-shirts.
So all I had to do was send a text and she made me this.
I still messed up a lot and laughed a lot.
And welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh!
I had a bunch of transmission videos which were really cool because not many little kids do transmissions.
My clutches and my seals.
This was my first live video ever. I was so nervous, but the cheering at the end made everything worth it. I had a bunch of hard jobs I had to do, but I learned to figure them out all on my own. I had a couple special episodes like making food or doing something special.
How to make hard-boiled eggs so they don't taste like car exhaust. Cool. Put on this extender because engineers don't know how to do their jobs.
I had a bunch of different paint jobs that were really fun to create. I was still learning to memorize my lines.
Cool.
I had a bunch of cool videos with Zaya in it. She loves being in the videos. I made a great desk that I still use to this day.
Cool idea and being my new subscriber.
I ride my bike almost every day when it's nice outside.
I'm still doing it.
I went to a lot of car shows during the summer and had a lot of fun and saw a bunch of cool cars.
Top 500 cars of the day. We met some nice people here in Beloit.
And since I'm a YouTuber, I got to sit in a lot of super cool cars and see a bunch of cool people. I even got to fix some things around the house. I had a bunch of different cars that I got to fix. For this video, it was the first video ever that I couldn't film with audio, so I had to put in the audio track after I filmed the video. It was hard to memorize what I was going to say later. I had a lot of fun filming a lot of different videos with Zaya and my cousin.
Guys, meet Justin. He's my cousin, and he's an expert at car lights. He's been around cars his entire life. Maybe he can help me figure this out.
So around 70,000 views, I got a new office and got to put up a bunch of new posters and got a bunch of new equipment. I want to thank my sponsors for the new equipment, and look how much better my videos got with the new equipment.
Looks super cool.
I can't believe they let me do this even with a I can't believe they let me do this even with a bunch of adult supervision. Zaya even got to be in a lot of my videos and got really good at fixing things. She loves to do the outros with me, but it's kind of hard to have her in there because we're always laughing together.
Subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.
My new technique of video is just filming me work and then cutting in a video later. Then I got to 80,000 views, which gave me a lot of sponsors and let me work with a bunch of different people. And I have a bunch of different projects lined up. It makes me feel like a real YouTuber. This was my funnest video to film and definitely the most popular, my race car video. I had so much fun making the car and going to the racetrack. Stay tuned because this year I'm going to make 3 more race cars. And hopefully by the end of the year, we'll have a full sponsored race team. If you want to sponsor me, comment down below. We would love your help. I'm looking forward to 1 million views. You've been watching Fixin' It with Zoe Lyn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.